104 golf. This file actually recorded the history of the champion yearly, and we like modify this format and I set up some icon conditional format, and I think it would be more understandable. Okay, let's try the first. The first question, we like to insert a new row between the 1 and 2, and after we insert this row, we like to fill the task score, position, and the leader in this cell. Okay, let's back to the row 2. I will place my cursor and place your cursor here and select the this row, and insert the row will be at the home tab, and here I have a cell group, and you can choose insert the sheet rows. Okay, and then I would like enter the score at the C2. I think that's it. So score and then position at the D2, and then leader. On the other F2 to H2 and until the N2, that will be the same, but you don't have to type one by one. You can highlight these three and use the fill handle to copy to the end. Okay, so that would be like this score position, leader, score position, leader. Okay, so we finished the first question. And the next question, like merge and center those cells A1 and A2, B1, B2. Okay, let's try to find out the A1 and the A2. And highlight these two. Merge and the center will be at the alignment. You can use this one, merge and the center. Just choose this. Okay, and the B1 and the B2, that will be the same. So you can press F4. Remember F4? He will repeat the action you just did. And the C1 to E1. Okay, C1 to E1. Okay. If you still press F4, it still work. And then F1 to H1. Okay, so till the end, LMN. Okay, I finished the second question. And the third question, we like to fill this column a leader, and the leader with a formula is from the score minus 72 times 4. Okay, so I will press the cursor at the first cell N3 and type the equal sign and the score from the arrow 3 and minus the 72 times 4. Okay, and that will be the minus 4, and the other will be the same. So you can just place your cursor at the fill handle and double click, then all column already finished. And the fourth question, we like adjust the height of each row. You can see it's a little crowded here. So we like to change all this row height to be the 25. Okay. So we back here and you can highlight all from here to, but if it's a lot of data here and you need to highlight all, it seems waste your time. So you can come here and you can press the Control Shift. At the same time, you can press the End. Then you will highlight all. And you can come into the Home tab and the Cell. Here I have a format, and here is the row height. And change this to be the 25. Okay, so that's a row height. And the fifth question, we still like to set the border for this file. Here we like to set the 3 different border. Inside the border, it should be the thinnest solid line, and the outside should be the second thick solid line. Second thick, so must be very carefully. And between the row 2 and the 3, it should be the double line. Okay, so we need to highlight here. I will still highlight. Okay, and then go to the border. Okay, so we will select the outline border. It's a second thick solid line. Which one is the second thick? This is the thinnest, and this is the thickest, and I think it's the second thick. Alright, and it should be the outline. You can just choose this outline border, and all this outer border will be set up to be the second thick solid line. And the inside should be the thinnest. Okay, and I'll press the inside. First, you need to choose the style, then choose the position. Alright, then like this. But between the 2 and the 3, should be the double line. So you can highlight the 1 and 2, and then come here and select the bottom double border. Okay, it will be the border. It will be the double line between the 2 and 3. Next, we like to set up the conditional format for the leader column, and we will separate the two different areas. First, we like set up the this format for the 18 horse and the 36 horse and the 54 horse. This icon set is the 5 arrows and the color. We need to compare all these 3 columns together, not a single line. Okay, so first we need to highlight all this leader. Okay, I will highlight this leader. You can press the Shift and the End and the down. Then you will choose this column. Then you will press the Control to choose another leader. This leader is for the 36 horse, and then it's for the 54. Okay, I will highlight these 3 columns, and then I will set up the go to the Home tab, Style, Conditional Formatting, and choose the icon set. It's 5 arrows and color. I think that's it. Okay. And you will see, you will compare all this data and set up the different arrows. And then I need to set up another one. This one is for the 72 horse, and it's a 3 flag icon set. Okay, so we need to come back to the last column and highlight this column. And then go to the Home tab, Style, Conditional Formatting. It's still the icon set, but it's a 3 flag. So this one is a 3 flag. And after we set up this, because here the question asks this, lowest 10% of the score is the red flag, and the highest 10% would be the green flag. Okay, so we need to go back to modify this rule. We need to change this value because this is a default value. It's a 2/3 and 1/3. But here we will change this. The highest 10% should be the green flag, and highest 10% that means greater than or equal to 90. So I will change this to 90. And the lowest 10% that means the red color should be less than or equal to 10. Here we have an equal, so here we cannot have an equal. I will change this to be the 10. Okay, after I change this, look, this is less than or equal to 10. Alright, that's a range we want to change, and then click OK. And you will see this is a new conditional format for this leader. And the last question, we like to set up some format. We like to fill the cell from the A1 to N2. It's a light green. It will be like this. Okay, so it's a fill color. We like highlight from the A1 to N2. Okay, it will be this range. And fill with the light green. I think this is a light green. Yeah. Okay. And then we finish this question.